D Life on the Passive D Life Express. That's right, we're rocking in this DeFi ocean with the high risk reward platforms. We're doing what we gotta do to make that passive income. You know what time it is. Boom! It is Monday, the 25th of July. First of all, I have to say a D-Life round of applause to all of my new crew members. Thank you so much for hopping on board this Passive D-Life Express as we sail this DeFi ocean and as we've on a voyage to passive income in our lives. Yes, we are taking risk, and yes, we are sometimes degens. But guess what? Nothing's wrong with that if you are that. And if you're not that, nothing's wrong with that. But you know, we only put we could afford to lose into any project, any platform, always DYOR. And welcome to the channel. Today, you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title, and it is a quick tutorial on how to get your account funded and how to create your account on Envi-Fx, which is a broker. If you did check out that video where we did a partial review of the platform, it's a good review, you know, a D-Life review. It took about 20 minutes odd. And now we're going to demonstrate how you can activate your account and fund it and get making passive income 5 times a day, every month, auto letting the traders trade for you. You don't have to take the time looking at all those charts, researching all that data, wondering what's going on with the dollar, what's going on with the GBP, the USD, the CAD. It's all done for you by the professionals. And we risk what we put in that account for them to trade and have fun with. And then we just sit back and relax and watch the gains or the losses come through. That is the game. All right. So we're going to quickly jump right now. Oh, don't forget to leave me a like and a subscribe over here and follow on Twitter. And don't forget to click the bell and don't forget to subscribe. Almost forgot about that. So we are in my dashboard now. And first thing you want to do, of course, is fund the account. So you want to go to deposit funds right here. Once you click deposit, you can go ahead and choose the type of asset you want to deposit. Me, I choose Bitcoin because I like Bitcoin and it's at 21,000. Yeah, whatever. But you got Ethereum, USDT, Ripple, and you got the BEP20, the TRC20, USDT, which is super lightning fast. I really like that, by the way. And then you got Bitcoin via Instacoins, so a lot of good options there. You even got the BEP20 USD coin, so USDC, so that is great there. Once you even pick the asset that you like, then you want to go on over here and choose wallet. Crew members, once you got a wallet, so let's say, for example, you're going to use Litecoin, which I purchased at $60, but I don't have anymore. I got lost in a platform that jumped. Yeah, it hung up with Aladdin, just to go off topic there. So choose the USD because the account that I will be creating is in USD. But just off topic for a minute, the support over here, the live chat with Envi-Fx is awesome. They deserve a round of applause. When I first created my account, you know, I sent them funds in BTC. And the actual account, which is the Pamm account we're going to be creating today, and we talked about that in that video. That will be in the cards in the end screen, so you can go and check that out if you didn't get to watch that video, and know that that is the topic what we are being active in today. We're using the Pamm account. We're not trading ourselves physically nor mentally. We are letting the traders trade for us. So I thought that I had it in BTC so that I couldn't work because the account was in USD, but they told me that it could still work. But me, I'd rather be safe and do it this way. Use USD, and then you want to put the amount that you want to deposit. So for example, we'll be using USD, and then we're going to go ahead and choose the amount to deposit. Let's say you use, you know, 1 Litecoin or 2 Litecoin, and then you want to click redirect me. Once you click redirect me to the payment, it will send you to a processor where it will give you a QR code. You want to scan that QR code and then send your Litecoin to that address. Once it is there, you'll see it pop up right here. The date, July 21st, is when I activated my account. There you go. See the BTC that's in there, 0.005, and pretty much that's it. Now you got the account funded. Next step now is to go ahead and transfer your funds into your actual Pamm account and then create your Pamm account. So 3-step process, nice and easy, smooth, not crazy, but just take your time and pay attention. So you want to go to internal transfer. After that, then you want to come on over to wallet to wallet, because now it's in your cryptocurrency wallet. So then you choose wallet to wallet, and then you want to go and choose your USD, like right here, and then you're going to choose the asset that you're choosing, right, for transfer it to. But on your end, it will be USD because you're using Litecoin on this end, because it'll be in Litecoin, and then you'll choose USD, and then you'll choose the amount to transfer, and then you will click redirect me to the payment processor. Alrighty. So once that is done, then you come back in here, and then you want to go to wallet to MetaTrader, right? So you choose wallet to MetaTrader because MetaTrader is where your Pamm account will be connected to. And of course, if you trade, you know about MetaTrader 4 and 5, all of that good stuff that, that trading software that you download on your laptop or your phone and use that to trade your, stocks, commodities, FOREX, whatever, metals, all that good stuff. Once you do that, then you choose where you're transferring it from. You'll be transferring it from your Litecoin, and then you will be transferring it to your Pamm account. All right. So that is going to be here, but the option is not available. Hold on, wait a minute. It should be. One sec. We want to go from MetaTrader to wallet, wallet to MetaTrader. No options. Okay. So they're not even letting me do it. So crew members, I kind of put my foot in my mouth there. Let's see what's going to happen. Do I have to transfer this back to BTC and then transfer it to USD? But definitely it's not showing that it's there. So let's go back here. USD. All right. And they're giving us BTC, but we don't want that. We want to choose MetaTrader. So it looks like I went ahead too far ahead of me. I should have left that in BTC. So we will be wallet to MetaTrader and MetaTrader to wallet. All right. So I don't have to figure this out, but that's what you'll be doing, right? You'll be transferring it from your wallet to your MetaTrader account. We are choosing it from Litecoin. Don't do USD, just you're choosing it from Litecoin. Your Litecoin will be there, and then you will be transferring it to USD. So, for example, let's see what will happen if I went wallet to wallet right here. And let's transfer this USD back to BTC. And then we will put the amount, and then it will be 113. But I'll be putting it back to the wallet, and then if I send it, and also bear in mind there is a small fee that I do believe when you do these internal transfers. So you want to make it, seamless as possible. I do believe, but we'll see right now. We'll do a live demonstration, so I'll go ahead and request. Let's see if I do this. Okay, we are sure we want to transfer the 005 BTC to our BTC wallet. So we'll go ahead. All right, so you see that's transfer a success. Now, if we do wallet to MetaTrader, and then we select from our BTC, then we will be transferring it. There's still no options. That is strange. Oh, sorry, crew members. So I can't do the internal transfer because I did not create the account yet. So that is the issue there. So first off, I have to go over here, and you want to go to Pamm Investor. So yep, sometimes you run into roadblocks. This is all new to me. This is, not rehearsed. So excuse me here, crew members. You want to go to Pamm Investor, and then you want to choose USD because it is in USD. You're an investor, and then you want to go to create, and then you choose please accept. You go ahead and that account is created. Now you want to go back to an internal transfer, and now you would like to transfer from your wallet to your MetaTrader. So if I choose BTC, then it would be my Pamm account. All right, and then once that's done, you will go on over to your account, which is your Envi-Fx MT4. Once that is done, you would receive an email. Once that email is received, that email will have all of your credentials in it, right? And then you want to come over here, and the Pamm account that I am using is called Automated Capital. Automated Capital. Automated Capital is definitely blowing up right now. They're doing good as in liquidity. They've got like about over 1.6 million in their account that they are trading for their members. They do have a Telegram, which you could go ahead and join. I will leave all that in the description, or you could email me. My email is in my channel, and I will send you all of that information. I'll even send you on how-to tutorials to get started. But you will receive the username. Now the username is your account number. So for example, my account for 40079. So you go there and you put 40079. Once that's done, then your password would be your trader number, trader password, not number. So once you do get the email, you would put in your trader number. Now, back to your offers for automated capital. So every Pamm account has their own design, how they, structure their portfolio, or their, how do I put it, their pamphlet, their online pamphlet to you to let you know this is what we're going to do, this is how we're doing it, this is what is required of you, and boom. So with automated capital, I like because, and the reason why I choose that, not because it's blowing up, is because a lot of the Pamm accounts on here, you have to have good capital, but automated capital is for the OC. You could come in here with $100. As you can see, we do have our $100 in BTC, and you could get started. The minimum withdrawal is $500, so I will be going in with the goal level. That is the level that I am choosing. And then you would click select. Once you click select, then you would put in your amount, which is $100 that you will be using. And then once that's done, now, of course, I can't change my username and my password, because then you could come on over here and move my BTC, and then I'd be like, oh, someone took my BTC. That can't happen. You'll click invest, click I agree to the terms, Pamm service, and then click invest. So just to run over, there are other offers there too. You have the $25,000 level. You have the $5,000 level. Now, the reason why the levels are there, not only for the barrier to entry, also for the fees. Yes, that's right, fees. That is how they make their money. They take out a performance fee, and for the gold account, it's a 70-25 split. You get to keep 75%, and they get to keep 25%. At the platinum level, it's a 80-20 split. So you keep 80%, and they keep 20%. And on the $25,000 level, if we have any big whales that are crew members or passengers watching this vid, that's where you get all the savings. It is a 15% they carry out, and you get the other 85%. So you got this level here, your fees are much less, you got more money in your wallet to work with. So pretty much that is the way this works. Once you got that funded and you invest, you give it about 24 hours for the funds to reach into that Pamm account, and then you just log out, check back in tomorrow, go to my accounts. Once you get into your account and you log into your account, then you will get a breakdown of all of the trades where were made, what has gone down, the whole rundown, the whole shebang. Of course, we will previewing it. We'll have our first update for our first weeks of trading with Envi-Fx. So stay tuned to that for Friday. And pretty much that's it. So you deposit, transfer, no, deposit, create account, then transfer to the account, and then you're good to go. So simple as one, two, three over here with NVFX with your Pamm accounts. And we already have our BTC, so I don't want to make any mistakes on camera where I already did make a mistake before. So just remember, deposit. So get your BTC, your USDC, your Litecoin, whatever it is, send it on over here. Once you do that, create your account on my accounts. You're going to choose automated capital. If you want to follow D-Life and get it with $100, I'm just going to set that $100 in there and forget it. So please give me a like on today's video because I bought the sledgehammer. Where does D-Life put in $100 into anything? If you've been following me, my crew members. So this is a big investment for me. And I've even got one more under my sleeve where you got another surprise coming. These are going to be my 2 platforms. And we will be doing weekly updates on these platforms. And I'm going to put these in the medium risk level because these are actual real brokers. And, there is KYC. So if you don't like KYC, then probably this isn't a platform for you. I don't like KYC, but guess what? I don't, I'm tired of getting guys left out on the rug with me. So I need to diversify into something that could still make passive income, maybe get some losses, and definitely still be here. You don't have to worry about it disappearing. So if you're okay with the KYC, it's quickly smooth. I got verified within like seconds, no problem. And I did this especially, I should have said this for my buddy over here, who's a crew member. Hopefully, if you aren't, this one is a shout out to you, Martin James. Please, how can I make more profitable investments in crypto without incurring much losses? Now, past results, James, hopefully you are watching this. Do not predict future results, but with Envi-Fx and with the Pamm accounts, they got a record of like anywhere between 1 to 15% a month, even sometimes 30%. Of course, you'll see your losses, but then again, at the end of the month, you're coming out on top. Now, that is no guarantee. Of course, nothing is guaranteed in trading and, cryptocurrency or even investments. You just have to put in your risks. But definitely, you get to pay for time here. Your crypto could work for you and you use it to get traders to trade for you. And at the end of the month, if you come on top, well, guess what? You have made it and you could just set it and forget it. And check it out at the end of the month, at the end of the year. My James Martin, that's Martin James. You had a lot of other people, responding to his comments there, speaking about a lady that does trading and stuff like that, and they're really in profit. I haven't checked that out, but it seems like it's real interesting. But this one is definitely directed to you, Martin James. You asked me for, something that's gonna not give you too many losses. Well, I know in the past months so far, this has not had losses. So if you get into this now, then possibly you will be in profit at the end of this month. And then again, maybe you might not be in a little drawdown, but not too much. But of course, nothing is guaranteed. So check it out. Of course, you do know the link is in the description for Envi-Fx. Make sure shoot me an email if you want more information on this platform. Make sure, don't forget, they got the KYC if you want to get to, certain levels in there. You could still register your account without KYC, but of course, as you move through the platform, KYC will be there. You only could go so far. I can't really remember, but you could go ahead and get started without the KYC. But eventually, you will probably need it. So just putting that out there. So this is my quick tutorial on how to get your account funded, deposited, create your Pamm account, and then fund that Pamm account, and then give it a 24 hours for that funds to get into the Pamm account. And then you will start trading automatically pretty much the next following day. So yeah, this is D-Life here with Envi-Fx funding and creating the account. Make sure like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if you're in Envi-Fx. Let me know if you checked it out. Let me know if you need any information on this, if the video was smooth and understandable. I know I kind of got a little mixed up there with my internal transfers, but just feel free to give me a shout if you need any assistance on this. I would be much obliged. And yeah, let's do it. All right, passive D-Life here, over and out.